These are the super weird elevators. And this one's just okay. Huh, lanterns don't want to work. Oh, these are cool buttons. This thing flies. 4? I didn't want to go to 4. Well, it sounded like it was going to re-level. Wait, these are monitor? Jesus. These are very strange buttons. And oh, that's flashing. That lantern, I guess, is not working. Nice interior. 4? Why does it keep on saying 4? We're gonna send you up. Yeah. Ooh, there's a fitness center down here. These almost look like GAL, but they are monitor. Some kind of weird older monitor button. Maybe it's not even older. I guess the other one's got the bell. I think that one's the better one. They got a cafe down here. They got a rec room down here. It's an interesting building. Got a fat detector right there. Oh, actually, I gotta use the bathroom, so. Notice how my hands are wet now. Oh, you came back. Okay, where are you? You know what? One has the lanterns. We're gonna look for it. Okay, let's find this stupid thing. As you can tell, it's all decorated up for Christmas. Alright, we're going to 2. Got it. Oh, come on. There you go. The heck? Is that really not gonna work? Oh, here we go. Oh, come on. Oh, God. Okay, come on. Stupid this thing is. You gotta hold it down. Piece of crap. As you can tell, this one's being used as a service elevator. Or actually, it's being used as a service elevator. That's a very weird... That's an Acme indicator. I have no idea who put these in. Actually, I might be able to indicate a brand for you. Merry Christmas, everybody. Look at this. That might be hair line equipment. I mean, excuse me, flush line. Could also be Adams. And I guess they are on peak up. They got PC on the outside. There might be a service elevator here. No, there isn't, because that other one was the service elevator. Yeah, I guess they're on peak up. Well, anyway, that's it.